Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're gonna learn Fibonacci retracement. This is most important lesson in trading analysis. So, if you wanna be trader, you have to know that. You don't have other chance. If you learn it, you will use in everywhere. Uptrend, downtrend, consolidation, and you will see when you see, you get surprised because it's perfect tool ever. I can say it. So let's try to understand what is Fibonacci. Fibonacci created by Italian mathematician. It's a number sequence. So Fibonacci gives us, let me show it. Gosh. So Fibonacci formed by sum of previous number, like that. There is 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. It not looks clear, but I know it's 8. Anyway, just listen to me. When you see that, you're not understanding anything, but you need to think like that. As I told, it's formed sum of previous numbers, so it's like that. 1 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 2, 5. 5 minus 3, 8. It's continue like that till God knows, like very long. So, what we gonna do with this? I need to tell you that at first, Fibonacci used in everywhere, in all our life, in natural life, in math, and in photography, in cinema, in architect, like everywhere. You know the golden ratio when we taking some image, photo or something like that, we are counting, photographer counting on golden ratio, and when there's a golden ratio, people know it's successfully stuff. Like, you know that most of brand are using Fibonacci in their logo, like Apple, Toyota, Twitter. Like it's in everywhere, it's in nature, it's in like our lives, in all design. I can say it's kind of harmonic stuff. So I'm just telling you to understand what is Fibonacci. As you can see here, this is the shape. We will use the side of math. How it's happened? Let me show on chart. When we use Fibonacci, is that yes? We will find 1 if we are looking for long position, or if we are on uptrend. We will look for 1 low and 1 higher high, whatever it is, which one it is. It must be the higher, by the way. So when we see, we will see some lines and we will see some numbers. I need to show you that first, 0.618. This is important level in our Fibonacci retracement, because we will know that when we use this Fibonacci, when price came that level, it will make some reaction. Let's say this is our price, it's on uptrend. When there's a sum, let's make it like that, it's not make sense, because when it's made some drop on uptrend, it will drop till here or till here, then price will get some reaction over there and rise again. Why here or here? Because I need to tell you, this is 0.618, this is 0.5. This two level in technical analysis, we call it golden ratio. Same as when I showed you some image. Let me show you from photography. As you can see, all the image, all the photo, even Mona Lisa have some golden ratio. In crypto, in technical analysis, our golden ratio is between this level. When price came that level, it might be 0.618 or middle of it, or just exactly on 0.5. We will know that price will get some reaction over there. So when price drop down, we will expect some rise over there. Why price makes down? how we know it? Because guys, you need to know that when price makes some rise, especially if it makes straight rise, it's worse, I can say it, price will make some correction. Yes, it have to be, it must, because if the price not make any correction, price will not, yeah, it cannot go rise till eternity. So it's very obvious. When price makes some correction, we need to, if we are on uptrend, we need to expect, we need to find some spot to open a long position. So when price makes some correction, it will come exactly this level. It must come if price will go rise, if price will keep, up, it must make some correction and get some reaction over there. We can open some long position over here, and I can say it, most of traders make their position middle of this, like they can give order, I mean limit order. Where is it? They can make some order over here, and for God's sake, what is doing? What's that small? I don't know. They can make their long trade over here, because after that touch they will expect some rise. So let me try to show that on chart. I need one uptrend, because first of all I will show the up way of Fibonacci. I need one low, I can say here, let's say, and one high point. I will use this top because it's gonna give me short time, so till here I can use it. So when I made it, let's think we are around here. Okay, let me just mark it. Because I will come that area after a few minutes. I want to show you something else. When we open our Fibonacci, those lines are gonna work same like support and resistance. Yes. So when we see, as you can check there, just forget about numbers right now, I will explain that after. When price makes some movement, as you can see, it's taking reaction. So price here, it makes zigzag movement inside of that. There might be small out, that's okay. When it's dropped down and sharply dropped down, it's using that line as a support. It's rising and again using as a support, rising, again using as a support. When it's rise, it's used this line as a resistance. And after second trial, and if you see that the price used this level as a support and used this as a resistance, it's breakout. And after it also using another level, another line as a resistance, because it's already breakouted. So when you see that price really using this Fibonacci, this is important, because when we using Fibonacci, of course we will use for find a position place. When there's uptrend, we will just find the correction area, but also we can make some trade inside of it. That's also giving us a channel. So basically it's support and resistance, you can use same as well. So that's also important, that's why I'm showing you them. So as you can see, price rise and it's hit that line, same like previous. As you can see, it's also used this 0.618 as a resistance. This is important level. And when you see price tries, it's walking on it, drop down, and with strong candle, it's making breakout, breakup, whatever it's called. So after it rise, you can see it's also using, because there's still have reaction, it's making some answer, you got it. And after it rise again, So when it's touched the one level of 1, it's again using that level 2 as a resistance, and price makes some zigzag movement inside of this channel. So far we are okay, right? When you see that level, as you can see, same as the 0.618, this is, it's also break with strong candle 1.618. So in this Fibonacci, we are using 1.618 and 0.618. They are very important values. Why? I will show you on there. It's not just chance or some things like that. When you know that 1 minus 1 2 2 minus 3 5 5 minus 3 8, you know that, right? And after a while, when you as it tells here, if you divide each number by the number before it, like it dividing 1.600 by 1.667, it will get result of the next one. So it's continue like that. But after a while, after 55, it gives same result. So when you dividing 1.680 to this one, it gives that one. When you divide this to this, it keep giving like that. After a while, it's only giving us 1.618. And also, if you divide each number by the number after it, like you dividing this to this, this to this, it gives 0.618 after a while. And after 55, it will give only this number, it will give only this number. That's why 1.618 and 0.618 are more important numbers in Fibonacci. So as you can see, when they break up them with strongly, it's give a positive sign for us. So you got it. We can use them as a support and resistance, and we can also make some trade inside of them. I just want to show you that. But we thought let's think like we are here and we made our long Fibonacci. When there's a drop, it's again using this level very strong way. As you can see, when you carry it there, it's also turning over here. So we not use that generally. We use mostly closer. We using one top and one bottom, not like there's too many top and bottom. If you're looking for bigger chart, it might understandable, but the healthiest way I can show you now. Find one top and bottom in this way. So when I see there is one bottom, there is one correction, I can choose as my bottom, and when there is a top, I can use as my top like that. And when I use it, as you can see, for a short time, especially because it's daily anyway, it's not short time, forget it. When I see my price rise, let's say I am around here. Where is it? Yes. Let's say I am around here, okay. When I see the rise, I just set my Fibonacci, and when I see there is some drop down, and also it's tried to reach that level and it dropped down, I will expect some correction, cause as I told you, when price rise, it have to give some correction to get some power, to get some direction, whatever, it have to take it. If price drop, also there must be give some correction by rising. So I know this, when price hit there, it makes some drop down, and when I'm on uptrend, I can open my Fibonacci and I can expect some drop around this level on my golden ratio. So as you can see, when price drop down, at first it's made with wicks exactly on 0.618, and after it tried to rise, it didn't succeed, it dropped down again. It's keep rising on this level. So when you see that, even you can make some trade inside of that channel, because 1 2 3 4 5 times it's making some rise inside of the channel, and you can earn from each rise 6.5 percentage profit. Just so good, I can say it. And also when you came that part, you can see it's make one drop down and it makes one some curve shape. It's make basically higher low, and you can understand the price might rise over there. It's also because of the shape, and you can expect some breakup. After also you can open some position. As you can see, it rises. So when you are here, you can just open your Fibonacci and you can expect some drop till 0.618 or 0.5. And when you are here, you can open some long position and you can just enjoy it. That's it. Fibonacci we will use in everywhere. Even like you don't know most of things, you need to know most of things. Anyway, I'm just telling for a sentence. You need to know this. That's important. As you can see, it's giving you everything. It's giving you some support, some resistance, and also after see, is that by chance? No. As you can see, this 1.680 level, it's also showing the future. When price came here, as you can see, this level worked like resistance, and price tried again, not succeed, and the next time like hitting. After it keep rising, and also this is coming 2.618, 1.618, whatever 618 is kind of important level, but mostly when you're looking for one top and one low which is closer to each other, you can just consider this part. It's important because just look your front, okay? Think today, you can think tomorrow of another time. You can check, you can learn, you can just get some practice. You can also learn them. I'm not telling they're unuseful, they are useful same as well, but just try to focus that part at first. After, when you learn, you can understand their logic easily. So also, same as when you are looking for long with Fibonacci, you can look for short position. Let me try to find some place to give sample. So I'm gonna show here, this is close to current price. Those days have some falls in market, but that's not matter because we're gonna earn in both way. When market drops, we're gonna open short. When market's up, we're gonna open long. So that's okay for us. So when we are here, I will show you that same as uptrend, we're gonna open our Fibonacci retracement, but in this time we will start first top and next low, like that. So when I get expanded, as you can see, let's say price drop hit the one level, or even not, does not matter, and we are around this area. Okay, I want to consider when price here we open our Fibonacci and we got this part as a low, because to make this, to choose this low, we need to see some reaction, we need to understand this is low. So when price rise over here, I did open my Fibonacci and I'm looking for some short position. So as I told you, when price makes some rise and exactly it's got reaction from golden zone, I can know that price will make some drop. So when I'm here, I can open just, short position. Even I can consider I can open most of traders, as I told you, they make some order middle of this line. I can know that I will earn 10%, even just not matter this week. I will know that I will earn 9.80% over here, because I will know when it touch here, and as you can confirm with the weeks of these candles, it's doji like, but there's so much weeks price rejected from this level, you can understand there will be some drop. And you also getting confirmation from Fibonacci, it's telling you price drop down, price dropped down, it rised, but it dropped down because it couldn't surpass this level. So when you see that, you can open short position, you can earn, and you can just enjoy it. Fibonacci is really important. You need to make practice as much as you need till you find the right area, right zone with Fibonacci. You need to make practice. It's like, as I told you, most important things in crypto trading. So when you learn it, you can feel like you really learning some things inside of trade. And if you're good at it, you can even use your trade straight away, and you can start earning some money. That's just awesome. And I guess that's it.